Hey there, what's up? Thank you so much for checking out this video. This is Ash from Fetch Profits. If you are a Shopify merchant or if you'd like to get started with e-commerce or if you are a regular e-commerce brand already on Shopify, if you're looking to increase your conversions, increase your revenue and make sure that your brand marketing is working for you, then one of the things that you must be looking at is Shopify email. This video is all about Shopify email and how to get started with it. On the screen, you're looking at a sample store that I built. Now, inside your Shopify store, you would have access to lots of features inside the admin area. If you'd like to get started with Shopify, please do ensure that you follow along by clicking on this following link called fetchprofits.com/Shopify and get yourself a free trial and get started with it. I'm not getting into the details as to how to select your theme and how to set up your products. If you'd like to get started with marketing and how to make sure that your marketing works for you and follow along with me. Now, inside your Shopify admin dashboard, to the left side panel, you will see lots of options here to do with orders, products, customers, your analytics, and things of that sort. But I'm specifically getting down to Shopify email, which you can get access to by clicking on marketing. And you're likely to see a prompt that says something like create campaign. Get down to campaigns here and create the campaign. Now, you can create an email right from here or click on create campaign on the top right corner, and you will now be presented with a few branded templates of your own. Now, you should be using email marketing because it's an amazing way to grow your revenue for your e-commerce store. You could possibly forget everything else that you're doing and focus on email marketing alone, and that can put you on the revenue path right away. But you got to be careful with email marketing. You cannot really push yourself and you can't buy your way into people's hearts. What you got to do is have a calibrated effort, strategize your emails in a way that there are some emails that go off automatically as soon as people sign up or become a customer. There are some more emails that are based off of triggers, which are nothing but actions that your potential customers or your existing customers take on a store. Or you can have one-off broadcasts for either keeping in touch with your subscribers, customers, or you could use these one-off broadcasts for sending festive season discounts and things of that sort. So you have various templates right here, and if you're using any of these, all you need to do is just click on any of the relevant template that you want to send out. So let's say you want to send out a one-off broadcast introducing people to a new product that you just have on your store. So this particular template right here on the far right can use for broadcasting a singular email with a singular message, maybe showcasing a new product with a nice graphic here and a large button that says go shop. Or you could announce new products just been added to your store, showcase new upcoming events such as live streams, send people to have a look at some of the products that they haven't taken a look at. If you'd like to take a look at more templates, you can just click on view more. You have a lot more templates for access here. A sale ends soon template and several e-commerce based templates that you could use. Let's take a simple template that announces a product that's just been launched on your store. So if you just click on this particular template, simple one-off broadcast email that you would like to send to a particular list of customers, to a very segmented customers among the entire list of customers that you have, this is how it looks like. If you'd like to use this template, all you need to do is just click on select here. The best thing about Shopify email is that it drags in all of your branding elements without you having to waste time trying to figure out where to add your logo and how to add your logo, and also save time. It does everything automatically. So your logo comes in right here, headline and a subheading and an image, and everything else comes in. And if you'd like to edit this, all you need to do is just click on it and you will see a Shopify email designer right here to the right side panel. Now you can change everything about this. For example, you can change the font here, change the copy right here. I can change the image by just clicking on that image, clicking on change and uploading another image, something like this. And that shows up right here. Change the copy here, change the color of the button here as well. Like you can just click on that, come down here and change the color and the color styles and button styles and so on and so forth. Also the alignment and so on. Fairly intuitive. So this is how Shopify email looks like. Review this. If you just click on review, it will show you exactly how it looks like. You can also select exactly who it needs to go to. So if you click on all subscribers, it goes to every single person who's on your e-commerce store list. But if you click on all subscribers, you'll find segments. And these are the segments that I was talking about earlier, where you can click to very specific email segments that you want to send this out to. So you want to send it to customers who haven't purchased, for example, or customers who have purchased more than once, customers who purchase, let's say, not more than $100, or all subscribers, or people who have abandoned their checkout in the last 30 days. So it's fairly powerful. If you think about how this works, you can change your subject line here. Make sure you add a preview text, edit this particular from field so that it showcases your store brand. Be sure to change your subject line depending on how you want to use, according to best subject line based on marketing principles. So this is how Shopify email looks like. Gives you straightforward templates that you could put to use and apply it immediately to try and grow your e-commerce business. That's how Shopify email works. Shopify email also works great in tandem or together with Shopify Flow, which I will talk about in another video. But for this video, this is all there is. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. This is Ash from Best Profits signing out.